In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Sukuna in Jujutsu Shenanigans Roblox. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Sukuna is a character that you can access on both public and private servers. For this video, I chose to showcase Sukuna on a private server because it's easier for me to record, but you can absolutely play as him for free on any public server. All that you have to do is go over to the characters here at the top, and you will have a bunch of different characters. All that you have to do is select Vassal. Vassal is going to be Sukuna in Jujutsu Shenanigans, so you will spawn in as the King of Curses. So I'm just going to showcase how it looks like when you switch. So after these 5 seconds pass, I'm going to be able to switch into the Vassal, and you will see that we are now the King of Curses. When you are playing as the King of Curses or Sukuna, you will have access to his 4 moves. Curse Strikes, I'm going to showcase all of them, so as you can see a bunch of consecutive punches. You have Crushing Blow, you have Divergent Fist, and this is going to be the Black Flash if you are able to use this twice. And then finally Menji Kick, which is essentially just a counter. You can also fill out the Awaken bar here. I'm going to see if I'm able to give myself full awakening, and by filling it out, you will be able to go into your awakened form. In there you will have access to different abilities, so I'm going to show you what it looks like now. Once you activate this bar, you will see this animation play out. It's a very cool animation, and then you can use Dismantle, Open, Rush, and then your domain expansion, which is going to be Malevolent Shrine. This is going to be your best ability. As you can see, it's very flashy. There's a lot of animations that play out, and you will be able to play as Sukuna and use all of them as soon as you join Jujutsu Shenanigans on Roblox. This is going to work for any platform. You just have to join the experience, and you will be able to play as him. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Sukuna in Jujutsu Shenanigans Roblox. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.